Strengthening exercise for headaches or migraines. Rate the intensity of your pain on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 is the most severe pain imaginable, and 1 is barely noticeable. After completing this strengthening exercise, reassess the intensity of your pain. If needed, feel free to repeat this strengthening exercise as many times as necessary to achieve the best possible results in the moment. Remember, you can find the link to upcoming workshops and courses in the video description and pinned comment. We're going to strengthen your central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tailbone. We'll focus on strengthening your energy release points: armpits, chin, plexus, sacrum, colon, genitals, palms, fingers, and spaces between them, as well as the soles of your feet, toes, and spaces between them. We'll tense and relax these areas to release all the pain energy. Let's strengthen the cranial, brain, spinal cord, and cerebrospinal fluid. We'll reinforce each vertebra, the optic nerve, intervertebral discs, meninges, and the lower brain. We'll also fortify the 31 pairs of spinal nerves, cranial nerves, ganglia, axons, motor neurons, neurotransmitters, synapses, glial cells, and nodules. Now, we'll strengthen the lymphatic ducts, fluids, channels, and centers. We're going to cleanse and detoxify the entire lymphatic system. We'll remove blockages, stagnation, congestion, inflammation, live, dead or dormant infections, viruses, bacteria, fungi, candida, parasites, poisons, toxins, dead cells, waste, and address dehydration and deoxygenation. Will increase oxygenation, enhance the integration between the brain and skull, and improve the connection between the brain and meninges. We integrate all parts of the brain in every possible combination, strengthening the brain's central groove. We eliminate stagnation of cerebrospinal fluid, remove waste products and residues. We increase lymphatic drainage to the skull, brain, meninges, neck, and throat, enhancing the integration between the brain and coccyx. We eliminate traumas, diseases, limitations, phobias, and fears, strengthening the brain to be centered, balanced, and stable. We eliminate localized pain, reflex pain, and two-point weakness, strengthening the sacrum, coccyx, buttocks, feet, and fingers. We address pain in arterial blood, venous blood, lymphatic flow, energy system, and central nervous system. We regenerate the myelin sheath, integrate the connection between nerves and muscles, and improve the connection between nerves, arteries, and veins. We're working with the nervous system and energy system, as well as the nervous system and lymphatic system. We're strengthening neuromuscular junctions, neurovascular junctions, neurolymphatic junctions, neuroenergetic junctions, and neuroepithelial junctions. We're going to increase separation, independent movement, energy flow, and create more space between the joints. We're improving muscle balance and integration, increasing awareness and acceptance, enhancing flexibility, improving balance, and eliminating imbalances in all joints. We're going to eliminate the repetitive trauma of having lost the energetic tail and its cumulative effects. We'll reconnect the tail to the body and the body to the tail, integrating it in all possible combinations. We strengthen the body to initiate, activate, and ignite the energy tail. We connect the central nervous system, including the brain and spinal cord. We strengthen the soft and semi-soft tissue in the energy tail. We establish a two-way connection between the tail's central nervous system and the brain's central nervous system. We're going to strengthen the connection between the tail and its physical surroundings and vice versa. We strengthen the 5 upper and lower energy centers. We eliminate the cumulative effects of mental pain, discomfort, irritation, hypersensitivity, burning sensations, pressure, and any other mental symptoms. We eliminate stress, anxiety, tension, nervousness, and insecurity. We eliminate fear, uncertainty, and all emotions triggered by your profession, work, daily problems, family issues, relationship concerns, and financial difficulties. We're going to separate all these types of problems and completely eliminate weaknesses from 100% of our daily life. We'll balance them to be centered, stable, and in equilibrium. We're removing emotions, sensations, and reactions that physically weaken you. We're eliminating the physical reactions caused by your emotions. We're strengthening your emotions, sensations, and reactions to keep them centered, balanced, stable, and most importantly, neutral. We're strengthening all the veins in your head. We're clearing out congestion, blockages, and inflammation. We're eliminating turbulent blood flow. We're removing pain from the blood, veins, arteries, capillaries, and blood vessels. We're going to eliminate all the weakening energy causing this pain at the conscious, unconscious, or subconscious level, whether it's yours or not. We're restoring the smooth, layered, normal flow of blood in the head and eyes. We're reconnecting the blood circulatory system with the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system with the blood circulatory system. We're clearing out blockages, congestion, and inflammation in the circulatory and lymphatic systems, as well as in the head. Now, we're going to strengthen the entire lymphatic system, including its center, channels, ducts, fluids, nodes, and sweat and salivary glands. We're strengthening the lymph itself, as well as reinforcing the lymphatic system and the central nervous system. We're increasing the efficiency of these systems. We're repairing any fissures, cracks, weak spots, perforations, holes, and breaks in all of your subtle bodies. We're now removing energetic waste, energetic parasites, curses, and entities from all dimensions and forms. We're sending them away to other universes, existences, dimensions, space-time, dark matter and energy, black holes, wormholes, and other unknown places in the universe. We're strengthening the frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobes, and parietal lobes. We're reducing pain memories and the cumulative effect of all physical and non-physical pain. We're integrating the brain and skull, strengthening the meninges, eliminating cerebrospinal fluid stagnation, and reducing congestion from waste products and residues. We're eliminating memories of injuries, traumas to the head, face, or neck, as well as intoxications, poisonings, dehydration, and referred pain. We're also addressing 2 weak areas caused by activity or positioning in other parts of the body. We're eliminating memories of past life experiences such as dying, being beheaded, drowning, hanging, and suffering from strokes and venous stasis. Let's decrease substance P glutamate, nerve growth factor, and cholecystokinase. We're increasing norepinephrine, serotonin, dopamine, GABA, endocannabinoids, and adenosine. We're eliminating pain from the mind. We're removing pain memories at all levels, from the microbody quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells, to the macro body, tissues, organs, systems, and structures. We're strengthening the connection between the central nervous system and each organ. In both directions, we're improving the condition of all energy, blood, and lymphatic pathways and channels connecting to the central nervous system and brain. We're integrating the brain with the central nervous system and removing traumas and experiences resulting from this headache. We're eliminating all cumulative effects of lived experiences and trauma generated by pain. We're removing any misinformation, perception, or interpretation that prevents you from noticing the changes. Let's remove judgments, blame, and criticism so you can recognize your improvement. We'll integrate everything from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. We're going to strengthen all internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and angles of every geometric figure we use here at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within a finite time frame. We'll erase all weaknesses and anything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks the elimination of this pain to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time within a finite time frame. Let's reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. Now check your pain level again. Is it the same or different?